After the electronic components have passed Perceptive's quality inspection, the electronic components need to be properly packaged for transportation and storage to prevent product damage and loss. More than minimum pack quantity, electronic components are generally packaged according to the original manufacturer's packaging. Less than minimum pack quantity, there are generally the following 5 electronic component packaging forms: tape, tube, tray, bulk, and ammo. The first type, tape or reel packaging. Type 2, tube packaging. Type 3, tray packaging. 4th, bulk packaging. 5th, ammo packing. Why choose vacuum sealing for electronic components? Vacuum-sealed electronics offer a variety of benefits, such as protection from water, dust, moisture, oxidation, corrosion, and even UV or radio frequency contamination. There are several reasons to choose vacuum packaging for electronic components. ESD Protection. Choose a vacuum sealer manufactured with anti-static materials so that ESD-sensitive components, assemblies, and PCBs can be vacuum packed in a static, safe environment. Product integrity. Vacuum sealed to prevent dust, damage, UV, and RF pollution, electrostatic discharge, moisture oxidation, and corrosion. Moisture-proof. Vacuum sealed to prevent condensation during storage and any accidental spills during handling. Cushioning options. You can control the suction speed and final vacuum strength to well below 100%, which can damage implanted components. You might also consider injecting air to give it cushioning. How to package electronic components. Choose the right box for your electronic components. Size matters because when the box is too large, the product inside can move around and end up damaged, while when the box is too small, the electronics can sit on the sides of the box and end up crushed. Use protective electronic component packaging. A thick layer of anti-static bubble wrap is one of the safest options, making sure all edges are covered to prevent the box from chipping or puncturing. Securely seal your electronics packaging. Use packing tape to seal all seams and even all sides of the box. The corners of cardboard boxes are the most fragile, so to ensure they arrive undamaged, use multiple layers of tape on the corners. Paste the electronic product label. Add labels such as fragile and handle with care to packages to ensure couriers know what to do with them. Place the labels in a plastic bag to keep them from peeling off in harsh weather conditions. Now you should have a better understanding of what we do before shipping. Looking for a great way to control costs when purchasing electronics? Perceptive Components Limited has 10 years of electronic components distribution experience to meet your needs. Our experienced staff will source more electronic components for you. Regular parts, hard-to-find parts, obsolete parts, or alternatives. Please fill in our BOM form for more information.